Welcome back to Crazy Fun Time Cards. In this video, we have a quick rip. It's Bowman Chrome U Basketball 24-25 season, 4 cards per pack. Hoping for an auto. And let's see how we do. Let's go. All right. First up, we have Ali Zabil, Derek Queen, Jackson Shelstad, and Nolan Traore. Social Studies. It does not look numbered. Oh, it is numbered. 150 out of 145. Sorry, 142 out of 150. Well, not the one we're looking for, but pretty cool. Still got a numbered card. Anyways, if you like what we're doing, please click like and subscribe. Leave a comment below. See you next time. Bye.